Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just getting ready for a 21st birthday tonight, so I thought I would do a little get ready with me so you guys can get ready along with me. I'll try and be chatty if I can. My friend Liv is coming over in like an hour. She probably won't want to be on camera though, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm just doing like a bronzy smoky eye and a red lip. I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury colour, which I very kindly got sent by TaylorMade PR. Thank you so much, guys. I've always wanted one of these. I mean, like, how pretty are they? But it's like this kind of bright red colour because I'm wearing a red dress, so I thought that would look really pretty. But anyway, I'm just going to get ready and just, you know, chat about stuff. First, I've already done my brows, as you can see. Oh, there's my phone. Just a hydrating primer by Stefan Makeup. Just because I just took my makeup off from earlier. If you saw my video, it was the Be There Beauty launch, and I already had makeup on, which I probably could have left on, but I wanted to feel fresh. And then I'm just gonna Fix Plus as well, so I feel nice and fresh. Right, now I'm just going to conceal my eyelids. I'm just gonna clean up my brows as well. I'm doing this without looking in a mirror, and it just makes me think how hard the no mirror makeup challenge would be. I should do that. It would be so hard. Alright, so I'm just gonna start on the eyes. I'm not gonna zoom you guys in because this isn't really a tutorial. It's not gonna be like a very difficult look either, because I'm too lazy. Whenever I go out to 21st, I can never be bothered to do anything like crazy. Like, I always have plans to do something really funky and cool, but then when it actually gets down to it, I'm like, no. I'm just gonna do like a gold bronze smoky eye, as I always do for my. Every night with you. I wish music wasn't copyrighted on YouTube, because then I could listen to some beats right now. Liv's gonna get here and be like, no. She's not gonna want to be in this. And then again, maybe she will. I'm gonna say no though. No, I didn't want to make this too dark because I'm doing like a bold lip, but look, here we are. I have nothing really to talk about, you know. It's not very interesting. I'm not going to anything interesting. I mean, like, it's my friend's 21st, so you can't really, like, there's nothing really to say. I was going to use some other brands for this, but look, here we are once again, using Makeup Geek only. I just can't help it, they're just so good. Like, why stray from what you know, you know? You know? Good thing about having an event on earlier today is that my hair's already kind of curled. I don't have to bloody do that again. I've been filming so many makeup, like I filmed like 2 makeup tutorials yesterday and then 1 this morning. I'm like, my eyes are sore. First world problems. Doing some brown eyeliner. It's too hard to talk and line at the same time. Never talk and line, kids. It's dangerous behaviour. Alright, lashes. Squirt out way too much lash glue. I'm really annoyed. Why can't I just have naturally pretty eyelashes? But then again, I wouldn't want to have lashes like this every single day. Okay, they're on. I'm going to let them dry, and then I'm going to put some liner over the blue band. Over the blue and the lash band is what I'm trying to say, if you can hear me over my rustling. Next up is my face. I'm going to put on a light layer of Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk to kind of act as a base, just so that my face isn't like super pale under like my thick foundation, because I feel like then when my foundation inevitably comes mostly off, then at least I'm not super pale.
You feel me?
I like luminous silk, but like one layer is like nothing. Like that's a light layer. But I feel like when people on YouTube use luminous silk, it looks so much more like intense than this, and I just don't understand. Anyway, I probably will never buy it. I mean, I did buy it, I got it as a present, but I'll probably not repurchase it. I'm creating a concoction of Fenty foundation, some Studio Fix in a lighter colour because the Fenty is going to be a little bit too dark for me right now because I'm not super fair tanned. That's too light. Bah! Bachelor in Paradise starts tomorrow night when I'm filming this. I am so excited. I feel like it would be like I've never seen any of the Bachelor in Paradise before. Look at me talking about the Bachelor. I'm like, it's a big thing. Hi.
Hello. Are you filming something?
Yeah. Do you want to be in it? Yeah, I don't think you would.
Darwin would be the worst guard dog in the entire
world. I know, right?
I was literally like, this dog.
Yeah, no, he would be really shit. Liv is here, everyone. I told them you were coming over. Don't drop your cruises. So Liv, alright, so what makeup are you doing today? Tonight?
I was just gonna do some eyeshadow and some foundation.
Yep.
And maybe a bit of bronzer, you know?
Yeah, nice.
Bit of mascara.
Oh wow. Just saying how I'm super excited for Bachelor in Paradise. But
Maybe I should go on The Bachelor.
yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Just go in there for the loads. The free drinks, the free activities.
Yeah, play like bubble soccer.
Yeah, like that sounds fun. Don't you get paid? Look at this meme.
I'm doing a red lip, I'm really nervous about it.
Why?
It always looks bad on me.
That's not true.
That is true.
I think you look lovely in a red lip, Matilda.
Well, thanks, Liv.
No problem. I feel like I'm nice.
Can you watch my lights?
Sorry. I woke up today at 7:30 and it was the best sleep-in of my entire life.
7:30?
Yeah.
How early do you normally wake up?
Well, the last couple of weeks I've been waking up at 5.
Yeah, no fair.
Because I've been doing morning shifts at the hospital.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck you. Public nursing is so much better than private.
I would think the opposite.
No, because private hospitals don't have to like have nursing quotas and stuff.
Oh.
So like they will have sometimes like a nurse to 10 patients. Whereas like public hospitals you have to have a nurse for every 4 patients that you have.
Fun discussions with Liv, the nurse. Well, nurse to be.
What are your thoughts on these palettes? These are Nikki's favourite palettes, so like...
Nikki tutorials.
Yeah.
You know, they are really good. But like...
They're just a bit funky like the colours.
Yeah, no, they are like...
Like they're not really like...
They're not wearable, necessarily.
They look
like this one.
They're so creamy.
Yeah, they're really pigmented. Like this one, half of it's wearable, half is not.
Yeah.
But they have one palette that's like...
It's not too expensive though, is it?
Well,
I mean like it might be here.
It's... I think it's like $50.
Yeah, it's like, that's not terrible.
And I got mine on a Christmas, like they had a Christmas sale, so they were 50% off.
And they're huge.
Yeah, well that's like the big size. Not all of them are like that. Oh, just burped. No! Got on my face. My nose is running. So annoying. Why is this so hard? Liv, why? Why did I do this to myself?
Beauty is pain.
Yeah. So hard. So that is the finished makeup look. If you want to see me do some more little chit chat, get ready with me's, leave a comment down below and I can do those for you when I'm going to things. I don't go to many things very often, but well, it's true. I don't go to it. I don't leave my house. Bye! Like and subscribe, follow Liv on Instagram. You don't have to.
Clitterboot.
I'll link her Instagram down below. It's really entertaining. She probably won't accept you though. Bye. It's done. This is over.